So why should you invest in video content? Well, these days video has dominated social media and digital channels, with apps like TikTok and Instagram making video ubiquitous to social content. Research also shows that 4 of the top 6 channels on which global consumers watch video are social media channels, and 64% of consumers will make a purchase after watching branded videos on social platforms. So why is this important? Well, if you aren't creating video content, you're likely falling behind all your competition in the rest of the world. But don't worry, for most of the videos these days, people want more simple and raw content because it looks more authentic, and that's really what matters to today's audience. So that means you can just use your phone to capture video content and not worry about investing tons of money in expensive camera equipment. Also, this means brands, companies, and businesses all need a video marketing strategy because video content is very important on every platform and every channel. Rather than just doing outbound sales and advertising, you're attracting people with video content with inbound marketing. You want to be able to create content that your target audience would want to watch. As you start creating more video content that attracts your target audience, they may become a customer, client, or avid fan. Video isn't just one piece of your overall marketing plan either. It's central to your lead generation, advertising, marketing, sales, and your social strategy. You can use video content to sell on social media, embed videos on your website to welcome visitors, send videos directly to your prospects as personalized messages, create training videos internally to onboard new clients or employees, and host live webinars and virtual summits to attract large audiences who want to learn more about your domain expertise. So what are good examples of video marketing content? Well, you can create explainer videos to help your audience better understand why they need your product or service by walking through how to use your product or service and how it can benefit their lives. There's also how-to tutorials and educational videos to help solve a problem your target audience has and is within your expertise, so you can build authority, serve your customers, and drive awareness. You can create testimonials and case studies so people can see how beneficial your service or products can be for customers and clients. There are also founders, mission and vision, and brand videos so people can get to know more about your values, your mission, unique selling proposition, and your overall story so people can connect and relate with your brand. You can create product videos so people can see the benefits of your product or see your products in an exciting light by creating mini commercials and ad spots. You can make lifestyle videos so your viewers can see how life can be when they use your product or service and the type of lifestyle your brand represents and supports. It just depends on who your target audience is and what you think they'd watch based on data and research. Now, hopefully you learned a little about why you should invest in video content. As always, please like, comment, and share with anyone you think would benefit from watching this video. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button below to get notifications so you can get updates on new videos that I post. And if you want to learn more about video marketing and content creation and how to create high quality content without hiring an expensive agency, click on the link in the description below for my free online training where I teach you how to create a content strategy, create professional videos on a low budget, and optimize your videos on social media for maximum views. And if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below or just email me at mitchell@thecreativehaven.com. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.